how to change payout bank account on your Facebook. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe. First of all, open up your Facebook page and you have to go Meta Business Suite. Select your page, make sure your page is select properly, and here you can see the monetize option. Press on monetize. Now simply go the payout setting, and here you can see the setting option. Go setting, and now once you press on setting, then you can see payout method. Here is the payout method. Now for example, I want to change this on. Press on view update, then here you can see your bank account. Press on update, then Facebook send a code to your phone. 9. Then press on continue. Then here you can see this kind of interface with manual link, or you can add your PayPal as well. And now select your manual link. Now here you can see your account name, SWIFT code, account number, all once you enter complete, then once you press on update, your payment method will be updated for your Facebook page. Please thumbs up, and if you have any query, feel free to ask in my comment section below. Have a good day.